Welcome to Read Your Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Now, let's learn another letter sound. This is the letter D. The sound of letter D is D. D. I will show you some pictures that have D beginning sound. D. Dog. D. Duck. D. Dice. D. Donut. Now, let's read the following words. Listen carefully and practice with me. Let's start. S-A-D. Sad. D-A-D. Dad. Dam. Dan. Dim. Again. S-A-D. Sad. D-A-D. Dad. Dam. Dan. Dim. For this part of the episode, we will blend the letters together to learn to read the words just like what we did a while back. Listen carefully. Is. It. In. Dam. Man. Pan. Dim. Tim. I hope you had so much fun learning these sounds. So again, thank you for listening and staying with me. I am Teacher Jem, your reading rescuer for the day. See you in the next episode. Have a great day.